gusta. Me gusta. Díselo Maluma.
En un viaje por España yo la conocí en la playa y nos fuimos a mar.
Me gusta,
Pero no me asusta.
me gusta. Me gusta.
Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys my Ipsy, and if you guys want to see what's inside, keep on watching. And if you're new to this channel, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below, and don't forget to turn on the bell next to the subscribe button. Well, today's month's Ipsy is this bag right here. So it looks like this. It has like that nice pattern and stuff like that. So it has like all the people and such, so it's pretty cute. I think you can draw on it. Open it up, it shows this card right here, and it says great, and it says Ipsy in March 2018, and then it shows you all the information about this month's Ipsy and stuff like that, which is pretty cool. And the first thing I want to pull out is this nice cute little fan brush. I think it's so unique with all the rainbow, you know, pattern and stuff like that. It looks like a mermaid, you know. It's so cool. You can never have too many fan brushes. Here's the marker, which you can color your bag. If you dirty cute secret cosmetics, it looks like this. And I'm just gonna open it up right this. It's a baked highlighter. Ooh. And the color is Prosecco. And let me do some swatching. It's like a rosy kind of pink. Let's see, like up close. Doesn't show on camera, but it looks really nice up close. It's like a rose gold kind of pink. And the next thing I got is it's like a foaming cleanser, and it's from Jasmine Waterfall. Looks like this. Oh, this is like the eyeliner. Or not. Or no. Oh, this is so cool, guys. Look at the eyeliner. That's like a mini eyeliner. Travel size eyeliner. So this is so cute. This is from Tarte. And then the next thing is this Freematic eyeshadow duo. Ooh, that's so cool. That's nice. I don't know if I will be using that though. Maybe. That's pretty much it. That's all in the bag.
Tómate un trago y cuando estés borracha pa' mi casa nos vamos. Me sorprendió cuando sacaste ese cigarro. Tómate tanto que lo has olvidado. Y tranquila ma, no pasa nada. Enloqueciste pero maná, pedías a grito que te besara.
So that's what's in my Ipsy bag. So let me know in the comments below if you guys got something different than mine. And don't forget to like and subscribe down below. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
Me gusta,
Pero no me asusta.